In my opinion, what's most important that we always keep in mind is that it's all about the journey. What's going on, everyone? It's your coach, Trev Bucheri here. Man, I hope you're just enjoying this beautiful sunny day today. And you know, we all get caught up in the end product. We all get caught up on the fact that we're just not there yet, right? We haven't accomplished the goal. We haven't crossed the finish line yet. Maybe we've been intimidated to start. Maybe we haven't started yet, right? But really, then what happens, once we do hit the finish line? Because we've all hit the finish line. We've all accomplished things in our lives. Maybe we're sitting there judging ourselves and saying, no, I haven't. But of course we have. Of course we have. We've all accomplished. But what happens when we accomplish something? We want to work on what's next, right? We want to move on to what's next. It's all about the journey, because the journey is really what captivates us. The journey is really what has the ups and downs in it, and through the downs, it enables us to then take those challenges on and defeat them and move forward, in our own personal development, of our own growth and our own journey in accomplishing that goal that we have in our mind. We're moving towards it. But it's all about that process. It's all about the journey, not about the ending. The ending is basically where we actually start a new beginning, because we need to be focusing on a new ending, isn't it? So what if we can actually say to ourselves, man, it's all about now, and we can actually just enable ourselves to have presence, enable ourselves to have presence and appreciation for the process and a concentration on the process, because it's all about the journey. The journey is really what's actually creating the fulfillment. The journey is what's creating the growth. The journey is actually where we're defeated. The journey is where we're victorious throughout. And that's really where everything happens. So where in your life are you failing to recognize the beauty of the journey? Are you failing to enjoy the process? And as soon as you can actually identify that, and as soon as you can actually start to really just harness that and give appreciation towards that, and first things first, recognition of, oh wow, there it is, wow, that's interesting, and just again that aspect of, we're always going to need to be on some type of journey. So as soon as we cross one finish line, if we're not aiming for another one, our tendencies, we become unsatisfied. We always want to grow. I've never met a person who hasn't wanted to grow in one way, shape, or form in some area of their life. Of course, all of us have different values and we all want to grow in other areas, but the fact is that we all want to grow. It's all about the journey. It's not about the finish line. So where are you neglecting your journey? What in your journey are you neglecting to recognize, to appreciate, to have gratitude for? All the many challenges that you're overcoming and all the many growths that you're having on a daily basis. So, hope you got a ton out of this today. Thank you so much for joining me. Appreciate your time so much. Thank you for spending it with me today, and you have an incredible rest of your day. Take care.